let's come into a little bit of an upper body flow. Exhale, and then inhale as you reach both hands all the way up, interlacing the fingers, and then bring the palms up towards the sky. Inhale, and then taking hold of the left wrist, exhale as you draw it over to the right. Keep plugging in everything from the hips down towards the ground as much as you're lifting up from the waist up. Inhaling, both arms reach for the sky. Exhale, let's take it the other way. Inhale as you reach, keep broadening across the chest. Exhale, we'll come into a twist. So take that left hand to the back of your chair, hold on to the chair. Keep squeezing the thighs in towards the midline of the body. And then reach your right hand forwards as you look behind you. Inhaling, reaching both arms up again. Exhale, we'll twist to the other side. So take that right hand, hold onto the back of the chair, and then reaching left hand forwards as you look behind you, or perhaps to the side. Inhaling, both arms up, and then exhale as the palms meet, bringing them through the midline of the body. Should we do that again? Starting with an exhale. Inhale, reaching both arms up. Exhale, interlace the fingers and push palms to the sky. Inhale, fingertips reaching for the ceiling. Exhale, take hold of your left wrist, gently drawing it over to the right. Feel that space in the side body. Inhale, and then exhale over to the other side. Lovely. Inhaling as you reach up, exhale as you twist. Remember to take that back hand and hold onto the back of the chair as you reach your right hand forwards, looking back. Inhale, both arms. Exhale, take it the other way. Keep lifting out of the spine. Inhale. And then exhale, bring all of that energy into your heart center. Bringing thumbs to rest on your heart center. Closing the eyes if it feels safe to do so. Connecting with your breath. Connecting with your heartbeat. And then noticing when we begin to deepen the breath, we can begin to slow the heartbeat. Taking a welcome pause, releasing the hands to the knees. Let's see what the neck is up to today. So we'll start by taking the head side to side. Inhaling as you look over to the side, and then exhale back to center. It doesn't matter how far round you can reach. As with everything, just keep moving. Do what you've got today. And what you've got today is good enough. I'll say that again. What you've got today is good enough. Last one. Coming back to center. From here, inhaling and then exhaling as you lower chin to chest. And then inhale, taking that left ear to the left shoulder. Exhaling, roll the chin back to chest. Inhaling the other way. Exhaling, chin to chest. Doing that a couple of times. You can keep moving. I'm going to keep moving today. Or by all means, if you wish, you can come and hold the pose on one side, maybe changing the angle of your chin, perhaps even placing your hand just gently on top of the head for a little bit of extra sensation. How are we doing? Bringing chin back down to chest and using your fingertips to gently draw your head all the way back up to center. Well done.